I'm gonna powder inside here. If you can kind of tell this part right here sticking, it's kind of giving a wise ass smirk. And we want it not to stick. We want it to be as open and free as possible. So take a little bit of powder. Also, we're gonna be using a little bit of KY. Everybody knows what KY looks like? KY. Some small pieces of opsite. That's pretty much it. This other stuff's out here just in case. All right, so I'm just gonna put a little powder out on the table. Use the powder puff. Just kind of.
What is the purpose of that, Mike?
It's just where you have that raw silicone, so it's not sticking to itself. When the blood comes out, you want it to be as free of any diversion as possible, except for the big diversion of, or the big flap here that's gonna divert it from just spraying out. You want it to open up really nicely and easy. And then, just for in case it's shiny, also, you want to look cool and collected before you get cut. There you go. All right. Next thing, I'm just going to take, we'll do this at the last minute with the KY. That's out of order. Okay, I'm going to spin him around and I'm going to finish taping his back. And we're going to cut this shirt off. So if everybody can see that. Pull that down. Take these scissors. This is our makeup shirt, so we can cut it off. Yep. All right, there you go. Take that off. See that? That's exactly the reason you tape things down. If for some reason, when he leaves your trailer and makes it to set, you don't see that, it's gonna be bad. So I'll tell you what, I'm gonna have you put your hand on the tube right here. Just hold it right there. Perfect. There you go, there's one. All right, now there's no chance of it twisting and causing that kink. And we'll take this. It's going to put it through your belt loop. There we go. It's also nice to give yourself a little bit of slack when doing this. So if you want to zip tie that to his belt buckle or tape it, it just gives them enough room if they need to bend or do something, but it's not going to pull on the bladder. As you can tell, we didn't really finish this because in this shot, we're not going to see it. So we'll turn them around. We'll put a shirt on. All right, put your hands through the sleeves.
Yep.
And then, all right. All right. There we go.